The setting for this home is so serene. I mean, just listen. Surrounded by nature and trees, you're tucked away on a private cul-de-sac in the desirable Knoxville Estates community. Let's take a quick look inside this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, and then I'll meet you down by the private community lake. Remember the private lake I mentioned? This is it. You have full access to this beautiful neighborhood lake exclusive to Knoxville Estates community. Enjoy leisure activities like fishing, kayaking, and more. And guess what? It's just an easy 2-minute walk from the house. Don't you just love the flow of this home? It's open and comfortable, but has separate spaces to do daily life. With 3 bedrooms up and 1 down, 2 distinct living spaces, and a variety of outdoor spaces, there's room for everyone to enjoy. And if you want to come see it for yourself, I would love to show you around.